Hello, everyone. Welcome back. Welcome back. Welcome back. Welcome back. Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen, kings and queens. I am coming to you all today with a quick preview on what is next to come. All right, y'all. So I have some African print fabric right here in the front of me. And I have this piece here, this piece right here, this little piece here, and I have this piece right here. And I am going to be making something. So to be honest with you, I have to figure out which one of these will I be creating. Excuse my fingernails today, y'all. Plucked them off. So I wanted to come to you all really quick to let those of you know that I will be doing a how to make video using one of these African print fabrics. Which one will it be? I don't know. I do want to thank you all for watching this here coming soon preview, and be on the lookout for the next how to make video. Y'all have a wonderful and awesome day. And if this is your very first time, please make sure you subscribe by hitting the all bell button that is on the side so that when I upload more videos, you will definitely be notified, okay? Have a wonderful and awesome day. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up, like, and share. Peace and blessings, everyone. Until the next one, see ya.